Going away for your holiday together as a married couple, I mean male and female, is a great way to strengthen your relationship and feel closer than ever before. It strengthens partnerships, ignites romance and intimacy, and lead to a healthier, happier relationships. As explained by relationship experts, married couples who travel together report higher levels of satisfaction with their relationships. Those surveyed were asked to rate their relationships based on various factors like keeping romance alive, feeling emotionally close to a partner, and how much quality time couples spend together. Those who had traveled as a couple rated their relationship higher on every single factor. On top of that, the survey indicated that couples who take on trips together actually see long-term improvement in different elements of the relationship, like communication styles and their sex lives. Me and my wife celebrate our marriage anniversary every single year. This shows that our marriage is a priority. It gives us a chance to pull back from the daily routine and relive a moment that changed our life forever. After your wedding, be it 1 year ago or over 20 years, it is important to maintain your marriage like you would your home, your car. Your anniversary is an opportunity to relive your wedding day, reflect on your love and sacrifice for each other, and celebrate the fruits of your labor, children, ministry, business, and just simply the fact that you made it for another year. This year, for our anniversary, we decided to visit the beautiful Portuguese island called Madeira. If you live in West Yorkshire, you can actually jet off from Manchester Airport. Thank God to the budget airline like Ryanair that offers cheap fares. If you don't fancy flying from Manchester, there are a number of airports nearby that fly to Madeira. The flight time is only 4 hours. As we were approaching Funchal Airport, the landing was a little bit hair-raising, but I think the experience of our pilot made a huge difference. I have been traveling across Europe many times. I have never heard people clapping and cheering when the plane lands. Once at the airport, you can either rent a car or book a cab. I think for me, depending on your budget, renting a car is the best option. It gives you the freedom to explore and experience all the beauty of the island at your own pace. We stay in a 4-star hotel called Jamin Atlantico in a beautiful little village of Prazeres located at 35 miles from Funchal Airport. Jamin Atlantico is a beautiful place to stay when you visit Madeira. The hotel is situated on a dramatic cliff, and the surrounding nature of Prazeres, which is one of the nicest spots of Madeira, overlooking the coast from the balcony facing west from the sunset, is breathtaking. If you like quietness away from the masses, adventures such as hiking trails, walking down the mountains, if you like the steep, then this place is for you. This experience was extraordinary, and we're looking forward to go back again to Madeira.
Here at Jordan Healing Church, for our annual Marriage Success Program seminar, it's all about celebrating, restoring, and empowering marriages. And most importantly, reassuring the unmarried that married life is not a death trap. And this is why next year we want to do something different and exciting. So sit back and relax, because this is what you're in for.
Jordan Healing Church Marriage Success Program Seminar 2024 will take place in the island of Madeira at Jamina Atlantico Hotel. We want you to create an unforgettable and lasting memory.
We are so excited about this, and we hope you will be too. So bookings will start from April 2024. The seminar will be 3 days, from Thursday the 19th, Friday the 20th, and Saturday the 21st of September 2024. The cost for each couple would be £1,200, flight, hotel, and transport. When you see Madeira, believe me, the price will be worth it. Next, we'd like to give a few married couples the chance to win in our prize draw one of these 3 prizes as an investment into your marriage. First prize is fully paid trip worth £1,200. The second prize is a flight worth £600, and spending money, which is a third prize, worth £200. So for more information about our Marriage Success Program Seminar 2024 and about the prize draw, contact us or go to our website, and we will give all the information, which will be live from the 1st of October 2023. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the program, and we look forward to actually seeing you in Madeira in 2024.